Hello students, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to deal with 6th July current affairs MCQs. So these are our Indian toys. So related to these toys, the question is there. So the first question is, consider the statements. Indian government has banned the import of Chinese toys in the beginning of this year. Second statement, Chinese toys were imported to India in large number as they are getting more choice at a cheaper cost. They means as we are getting more choice at cheaper cost. And third statement is, India promoted Make in India in toy sector and included Bureau of Indian Standard certificate in toy sector. Fourth statement, now toy imports has gone down by 70% and exports increased to 61%. So which of the following are correct? So the first statement is, India government has banned the imports of Chinese toys in the beginning of this year. Yes, in January, India has banned Chinese toys imports. Second statement, Chinese toys were imported to India in large number as they are getting more choice at cheaper cost. So we are getting different kinds of toys at a cheaper cost. So that is the reason India was importing more and more toys. So suddenly what happened in the beginning of this year, India has banned Chinese toys. And then third statement, India promoted Make in India in toy sector and included Bureau of Indian Standard certificate in toy sector. Option 3, that is statement 3, is also correct. Now toy imports has gone down by 70% and exports increased to 61%. So that means imports on toys has been decreased and exports has been increased. So under Make in India, the exports of in toy sector has been increased. So all these statements are correct. So what is this question? Which of the following are incorrect statements? So all these are correct. So option D, that is none, is incorrect. Every statement is correct. Now the second question is, consider the statements regarding Pearl Harbour. First statement, Pearl Harbour is located at the center of Pacific Ocean. Second statement, it belongs to US. Third statement, it is also the gateway to the US island chain. Fourth statement, RIMPAC 2022 is going to be organized in this region. So here, Pearl Harbor is in Hawaii. So this island is at the center of Pacific Ocean. Option 1 is correct. Now coming to the second one, it belongs to US. Yes, it belongs to the US country. And the third statement, it is also the gateway of US island chain. Even this is also correct. And RIMPAC, what is the full form of RIMPAC? RIMPAC is Rim of the Pacific Exercise. What is this RIMPAC? It is the largest international maritime warfare exercise and it is going to be conducted. So option 4 is statement 4 is also correct. So all these are correct. So option D is a correct answer. So here you can see here, in this location Pearl Harbor is located. So it is in the center of the Pacific Ocean. See, you can see here, Japan is there and here US. So here from Pearl Harbor to US it is 2000 kilometers and from here to Japan it is 4000 kilometers. Okay. So this is all about Pearl Harbor. And now the third question is, consider the following statements. First statement, single crystalline scandium nitride SCN can convert infrared light to renewable energy. Second statement, electromagnetic waves are not renewable energy. Third statement, electromagnetic waves can be used as electricity generation, telecommunication, defense, security technologies, sensors and healthcare services. So which of the following are correct? So here today few members of our country has discovered that single crystalline scandium nitride can convert infrared light to renewable energy. So first statement is correct. Now coming to the second one, electromagnetic waves are not renewable energy. This is wrong because electromagnetic waves are renewable energy. So second statement is wrong. Now coming to the third statement, electromagnetic waves can be used for electricity generation, telecommunication. So even third statement is also correct. Okay, that means 1 and 2 statements are correct. 1 and 3 statements are correct. So Option C is the correct answer. Now coming to the fourth question. Tajikistan is surrounded by option A Pakistan, Afghanistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, China, Kyrgyzstan. Option B India, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan. Option C Kyrgyzstan, China, Afghanistan and Uzbekistan. Option D Pakistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan and India. So Tajikistan is surrounded by Kyrgyzstan, China, Afghanistan and Uzbekistan. Option C is the correct answer. Let's look into the map. So here this is Tajikistan. So this part of land is China. This is Kyrgyzstan and this one is Uzbekistan and here Afghanistan. Okay. So it is surrounded by 4 countries. What are they? Afghanistan, China, Kyrgyzstan and Uzbekistan. India is over here. Okay. India is not connected to Tajikistan. Remember. Here we can see Afghanistan. This place is Afghanistan, not Tajikistan. Okay. So option C is correct. Now here, if a person is affected by leprosy, so this condition will be happening. So there are also different types of leprosy diseases in that also. Okay, so this is one type of leprosy disease. So now coming to this question related to leprosy. Fifth question, consider the following statements regarding leprosy. First statement, it is also known as Hansen's disease caused by bacterial infection. Second statement, it is caused by Mycobacterium leprae. Third statement, it is one of the oldest disease. Fourth statement, if not treated, it can lead to significant disability, disfigurement, permanent nerve damage. So, coming to the first statement, it is also known as Hansen's disease caused by bacterial infection. This is correct. Leprosy is caused by a bacterial infection. And what is the name of bacterial infection? Bacteria. It is Mycobacterium leprae. So second statement is also correct. It is one of the oldest disease. This third statement is also correct. And fourth statement, if not treated, it can lead to significant disability, disfigurement, permanent nerve damage. So you can see in this figure, it has led to permanent disfigurement. So all these statements are correct. So option C, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct. So if you like this video, subscribe it, like it, and thank you for watching.